Hello viewers, today I will create another backlink for my website. Also you can create unlimited backlink for your website from this site. So don't skip the video and please subscribe my channel for get new video. The website name is ibzn.com. First I enter this website. Okay, you can see like this interface. First register on this site, give a unique username, your email and password, then click on register. I have already an account, so I log in. After login, you can see like this interface. Go on account, then you can submit your business option available here. Okay, click here. You can see a form like this. Okay, you can post here your website name or company name, country does not matter. Okay, city, phone number, need one category. Okay, here you can post your website URL. Okay, description, need a description. Okay, description minimum up to 20 to 55 character. Brand, okay, no need anything. Okay, submit business. Okay, free submitted business. You can see one backlink is created here, so you can create unlimited backlink from here. Again click submit your business, again listing your business, and again click submit your business. Like that way you can create unlimited backlink for your website or your client's website. Thanks for watching the video. Goodbye.